Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Twitter app problem. To know how to fix or solve your Twitter app problem, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait to turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.